This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now in Thailand, Chiang Dao, and this is Ora Good Cat here in Thailand. In Europe it's called Ora Funky Cat. And yes, I mean, it's been existing for a while now, but this is the first time I had the opportunity to do a banana box test. Because I noticed that the Good Cat or the Funky Cat has less space than, for example, the BYD Dolphin. But how much less space? Well, that's what we're gonna find out. So, let's check out the front first. Okay, let's see. Well, as expected, there is a bunch of car stuff here. I don't know if this also is a fossil car or not, but yeah. So, relatively small hood, so not much space for a front. And the car has this big butt, you know, but then a little slope here. So, well, I like big butts and I cannot lie. And then just manual lift gate. And then here we have, well, an umbrella, but we don't need that in Thailand nowadays. And then the space is okay, I guess. We have a light on that side. We have some cargo hooks. Well, you know, grocery store bag hooks here. No cargo securing hooks. And then we have a lid here. Open the lid. Well, we have this nice foam arrangement here. I mean, should we remove it? I haven't removed it when I used the car because you actually have to unscrew 4 of these plastic things here, you know. So, at least for me, I would probably just keep the foam on. I feel like I'm removing essential part of the car. So, okay, why can we at least take off this? Yeah, okay, this could maybe matter when it comes to space. And how are my banana boxes in Thailand doing? Well, they're doing great. I actually imported them from Norway. So when I was here last year, they were stacked in the back there, but then Amre's dad moved it up there. So then I had to retrieve them, and then they are in okay condition. I would thought that maybe they could, I don't know, rot over time, but then I guess because it's outside and there's good enough ventilation. But there is some cobwebs on some of these, and I actually found what I believe is dog food in some of them. I don't know, maybe the cat went up with them. So, but it seems to be okay. You see, this is the problem with the Good Cat or the Funky Cat, is that you put 2 boxes here, they fit perfectly fine, but then you think that, oh, but then we could just stack 2 more here, right? And then close the lid. Well, because the lid has this small window here and then something quite thick in here. So, okay, well, at least put it like this and that should close, right? At least 3 boxes. 9. This gonna happen. Oh, just leave it like this then, and then we close the lid. Nope. There's something preventing us from doing that. So, I mean, dude, like I have trouble. I'm struggling to fit just 3 boxes in here. I need to really take out my ninja skills now and see how it works. Shit. Men I helvete. Okay, I give up. I can only fit 2 banana boxes here. It is remarkably low. Yeah, no matter what I do, it just simply doesn't fit. So 2 then, wow. All right, now we folded the seat, and this time the car might be able to redeem itself. So I have removed the 2 headrests, not the middle headrest because there is none, even though they have 3 seats. Yeah, okay. And then seems like we actually have good leg room here. And also relatively good headroom, right? So this should be good then. As usual, we try to fit as many boxes as possible. And this time I feel like it was going better at least. So we could fit a lot of boxes here. The rear here is always troublesome. You would think that, oh, you can fit more, but I mean, you simply cannot fit more because of the shape of the hatch, I think. Okay, since we are in Thailand, we have to count in Thai. Let's see. Yeah, for the first time in 2025, turn up the pitch and start counting.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11
15, 16, 17. I mean, it's still better than the e-Golf, but compared to Dolphin or even ZS EV, then those cars are way better. At least we tried it now, huh? Okay, anyway, that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching. Talk to you later.